Everyone wishes they had at least one unique superpower. Some dream they could influence the energies around them or move at super speed, while many also wish they could get super strength or turn their bodies into weapons. And even though people with superpowers are hard to come by, there are many different sorts of animals that are capable of doing things that are much beyond what they ought to be able to do. Hello and welcome to our channel, Curious Media. Check out these amazing instances of animal superpowers. These creatures' extraordinary talents may sound like something out of a comic book, but they are the actual deal. Number 7. Bumblebees. When a bumblebee lands on a flower, some of the positive electrical charge that it generates while flapping its wings is transferred to the flower by the bee. Because of a study that was published in the journal Science in 2013, specialists now understand that when bees detect a change in charge of a flower, they steer clear of the flower because they believe that another bee has recently extracted the pollen from the flower. Number 6. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish can become invisible. When we say that they are invisible, what we really mean is that they have excellent camouflage skills compared to other animals. They can mold their bodies into practically any shape in the water to conceal themselves from potential enemies and blend in with their environment. They even have pigment-filled sacs in their skin, which allows them to change hue at a moment's notice. Number 5. Reindeers. The eyesight of reindeer is superior to that of humans. Because of their extraordinary capacity to perceive ultraviolet light, reindeer are better able to hunt for food and avoid being attacked by predators in the harsh environment of the Arctic. Because lichens, their principal source of nutrition throughout the winter, and the wolf's fur, their chief foe and predator, both absorb ultraviolet light, these two elements stand out against the background of snow, which reflects ultraviolet light. Number 4. Elephants. We are all aware that elephants' trunks may be used to pick up objects like an extra limb. But were you aware that elephants can easily lift 1 ton using only their trunks? In addition, depending on the circumstances, trunks can also serve the purpose of hoses, snorkels, pokers, or forks. Poachers are to blame because these sophisticated animals are now on the list of endangered species. Number 3. Sea cucumbers. These marine organisms that resemble caterpillars have one of the most amazing defense strategies, but it is also somewhat revolting to observe. They do this by contracting their muscles, which causes some of their internal organs to be expelled out of their nether regions. This not only makes it more difficult for predators to catch them, but it also releases a deadly chemical. They certainly put their bodies on the line to eliminate their adversaries. Later on, the organs that were expelled are regenerated. We can all breathe a sigh of relief that Stan Lee did not draw any of his comic book characters on sea cucumbers. Number 2. Snakes. Pit vipers, as well as certain species of pythons and boas, can detect the prey's body heat thanks to the presence of tiny organs on their faces. According to Wired, since nerves connect that organ to the somatosensory system of the brain, which processes the sense of touch, snakes may truly be able to detect the temperature of their surroundings. Before we get to the number 1 find on our list, make sure you like the video and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to comment on which animal's superpowers astonished you the most. With that said, let's continue. Number 1. Sloths. Even though they move slowly, 3-toed sloths are a popular subject for scientific study because of their remarkable ability to recover fast from injuries that would be fatal to other species. Experts are conflicted on whether or not the large number of helpful bacteria that dwell in a sloth's fur is responsible for the animal's extremely rapid and infection-free recovery from wounds. Wow, there are indeed countless species in the animal realm with extraordinary abilities. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash that bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We will see you in our next video. Till then, take care.